All right, what is going on, you guys? Today we are actually going to be finally installing our Roush foil kit here. Now this is the pieces that basically, let me open it up for you here. This piece is basically what goes right there. It sits, ooh, actually it's gonna look really good after I clean this car though. It's a very forward and straight install. So, I mean, it shouldn't take us too long and it shouldn't be too bad. I'll walk you guys through the steps of how we're gonna do it. But, provided hardware as well. And I'll explain to you guys as well how I was able to get this for only like, what was it, $30, $40? It was around there, like $36, I think it was to be exact. So yeah, perfect. Oh, this dang dog. Lay out all of our hardware there. And let's see here. Here we have our 2-threaded brackets. These should be going in there, just like that. And then these, perfect. So we should have 4. Yep, beautiful, 4. This I'm actually going to cut in half and then put half there and then the other half on this side. So, and then these I'm assuming are going to go with this. Beautiful. So let's go ahead and get the car jacked up and then we'll go ahead and get started. This part is always so annoying. I've been thinking about getting quick jacks. I've seen a lot of videos on them. If there's anybody out there that's watching this that has quick jacks, can you drop a comment? Let me know what you think about it. Like, is it worth it? The price point? Because I work on a lot of cars that isn't just mine. Like yesterday I did a coilover install and then I did an exhaust install. And it's having to jack up a car and put on jack stands, it's kind of annoying after a while. Especially when you do it all the time. But if anybody has some, if you could just let me know what you think about it, I'd greatly appreciate that. All right, now that we have the car jacked up, we're just going to clean this area here with our multi-purpose cleaner. All right, now we have it cleaned up. Now we can go ahead with the install. First, let's go ahead and cut this guy in half here. Now we got that cut in half. We can just peel the backing off of this side. If it'll let me. All right, we're gonna leave that for afterwards. We're gonna peel the red first and stick it right there because that gray is not coming up. We might actually have to use different 3M if that's how this is gonna be. And I got excited thinking this was gonna be a simple install. All right, now that we got that put on there, all we're going to need now is a drill. We can take this off. Got some bits here. So let's see what we're gonna need. What size are we looking for that one? These are big drill bits. What we'll do is we'll just take a bolt and align it to it and see. All right, so this one might be a little bit too big. This one actually is perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and use this bit right here. Perfect. And we have to get this removed now. You know what? We're not even gonna use this 3M. Let's go get our own 3M. It's the only 3M I have, so it's a pretty strong bond, but gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So, yay big. Oh, very simple. All right, no problem. Sweet. All right, now that that tape is on there, that's that good Gorilla 3M double-sided tape. All right, we're going to do the right side first, and all we have to do really is just get underneath here and line it up, because it is going to actually sit perfectly with let me show you guys. It's going to sit perfectly with this piece right here, so it actually kind of lines itself up, which is going to be right there. So now all we have to do is just peel this guy back. Don't tell me. There we go. All right, just like that. Now we could get our drill here, and simple enough, go underneath, and where the two holes are, we are just going to drill them out. Make sure you're wearing glasses when you do this, because that was not exciting. Let me grab 2 of these. Let's see if they'll fit through first. And they're too small. Let's get our bigger drill bit. There we go. So now that that's in, we just put our bracket in on this side here. And now we can put our bolt straight through. Now remember guys, you are screwing into plastic, so it doesn't have to be super tight, just like how I did it, pretty loosely there. And now, it looks like the rest of this is self-explanatory. 2 go there, and then 1 goes there, and that completes the install. So, let's see, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Yep, that is exactly it, because then the rest goes there. So for this, guys, we are actually going to drill a pilot hole. This is actually the same size, so I'm not going to use it. Gonna go one a little bit smaller. Oh, that's actually bigger. Whoops. Alrighty, come on. So I guess we'll be using this little guy. Now with this, all we're gonna need is just a Phillips head screwdriver. Or if you have a drill, you can do that too. Just be careful that you don't strip it. And I don't know where my thingy is. Screwdriver. Alright. So, all we have to do here, there's just a little indents right there. Got one there. And what we're going to do actually is just put a screw in it for right now. And that's just gonna help us hold that in there. Then we're gonna do the same thing on this side right here. Perfect, and then take our screw, self-tapping. Got 2 there, and then our last one is going to go right here. Perfect. Oops. Oh wow, I like that a lot. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the other side, and then I will show you guys the finished result. All right you guys, so that is actually the finished result right there. As you can see, it's actually pretty sturdy in there. I mean, we have like what, 2, 4, 5 screws on each side, 3 self-tapping, 2 threaded in. So it's pretty good. Plus you have that 3M tape stuck at the bottom. Honestly, I think it adds a nice aggressive touch to it alone, just that piece right there. So I mean, it'd be a good factory option if Ford just did that to begin with. All right, now to get to the part of why I got it for so cheap. I'm sorry I lied to you guys. It is not the Roush foil kit. Although, if you looked at it, would you have been able to guess besides that crappy 3M tape? I actually got this on eBay for $36, $37, right around there. it seems as if it's amazing quality. It comes with the same exact hardware as the Roush foil kit. So I mean, overall, I would say that it's a steal considering you're saving yourself like $100 compared to the actual Roush piece there for a piece of molded plastic and a couple screws you get at the hardware store for a couple dollars. So I mean, if you ask me, it's worth it. It is an eBay part, but I don't care. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to like and subscribe. I am sorry that this is a short video, just something really quick that I wanted to get out there for you guys as I mod the car. Next up, we're going to be doing the taillights. You guys are going to be seeing that next week, actually. And that is one thing I am excited for right now. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.